Hello everyone, this is a short review of core process of operating system. First is resource management. Resource management and the objective to allocate the resource so as to optimize the response when is subject to the finite resource available. This is having three approaches: the task assignment approach, load balancing approach, and the load sharing approach. These are the resource management which are belongs to the processor, which belongs to the OS programs process scheduling. IO device is having IO management, storage is having memory management, and the data is having file management. These are the resources. These are corresponding OS programs. This is the diagram for all the overview of this resource management. CPU gives the IO commands to IO device. IO device share the data between if the IO device is present, if the IO device is connected to the CPU, then the commands which are given by the CPU that are accessed by the IO device, and it accesses that memory location and do the operations on that data. That data is written to the CPU. Here IO device is using the resources as a CPU. The memory is using the resources as IO device, and the data is used between IO device and memory and the CPU. The next is memory management. The OS has full access to the system's memory and must allow processes to safely access the memory as they require the memory. If only few processes can create in memory, then much of the time all processes will be waiting for IO and the CPU will be idle. Hence, memory needs to be allocated efficiently in order to pick as many processes into memory as possible. These are the requirements for memory management. These are 5 requirements: relocation, protection, sharing, logical organization, and the physical organization. This is the diagram for this is the node diagram. This is one simple example for memory management. This is a swapping process between the P1, P2 and P3. And the P1 and P2 processes are running in the main memory, but the P3 from the secondary memory wants to execute. Then the P1 goes to the IO wait, that is a swap out operation, and the P3 comes in a main memory. This is a swapping operation. After the P3 terminated, the P1 comes back after the IO. The P3 is swapped out, and then again the P1 swapped in to the main memory. Third is the device management. The function for the device management is functions for device management are the status of each device. Use the preset policies to determine which the process will go to device and for how long. Allocate and deallocate the devices. These are the three functions of device management. And the next important point is buffer. Buffer are temporary storage areas residing in the unnamed location throughout the system, the main memory, channels, and the control units. This is used extensively to better synchronize the movement of data. between relatively slow I/O devices and very fast CPUs. This is the figure for the device management. There are three levels: user level, kernel level, and hardware level. In the hardware level, having the hardwares like the USB, the external hardwares, having the device controllers for respected hardwares. This is connected to the kernel level, and each device is having the device drivers, the different device drivers, and this kernel is nothing but the operating system. This manages the I/O. This manages the input output and also the another external devices. Thank you.